but kani ka bangi ong ka vehicle scrappage policy kani ka ba ni rai ban wengno banam sha penyachu asurok ya ki kali kiba la rim kiba kata ya ka jengkut jongkal air ka fuel efficiency di ban hamtam ban address ya ka jing e jong ka jing khapnya kaba social ru ni tang ha shilong gidan arlak nyu kun riu hajar aspa rup art liki kali di ban le ekani ni la rai ba ki kali kiba ba khatan snem shaneng kibali ki kali jong ka sarkar begitu nak sarkar kibaron san jatali kini shimna bakimlong word ka bamat numsha shubakin ya bikin play ki surat but ki kali pada ki ba long try de ki briu shimet private vehicles min shimi ki ba life husan snem bat chaning kini gidan prahajar li ka bamat khatlai hajar tali kini ki kali kenom dan chu asurak masin introduce ya kadika scrappage policy pat bagi notify ka good kabar kadai ke pollution kabalai kadai kajing dehen kali ikali barem ki sakut bud sin don ki breu ba lejing let ki sakut ki spangot nak tahu joko we kali ke poi train station ke poi airport di kita berok ki deki factors ki bani question bandam dia kamdan namar kadika policy ke bangi notify but sisian bangila declare bakadika kali ka long not worthy ke question bangin extend ya ka permit la dia ban sha ki ban apply ru ka marai su kani ko bang pedi mentan ki ka involve tang khat lai hajar ki kan namala ngi kan tang na shalom group mene ngala IP ka figure jong r lak nyuputri hajar di kani kan involve hakani ka face ka bamenta tang khat lai hajar de ngidang la ban le kata in pendap shwa kani but ka jo ka por ngin notify shwa Limbaka Transport Department BS Kalojong Raja Cabinet Taxi. Pi kawai kaba ngin yarap yaki niki brio kolong ba ngin issue yaki da ka certificate. Kadon ka certificate ka bangin issue ba ka kali jongki kala rim bat kamlong shu pamnyat bat kan yarap yaki bakin kabun ka certificate of deposit. Kaba ka sarkar kan ai hadu ho 100% ka but 100% na ke transport vehicle ke bagi ongka rebate ne ke jin padihal door but kani kan long available up to 8 years in case of transport vehicles and up to 15 years in case of non-transport vehicles. For instance, 15 to 20 years, 20 to 25 years. Okay, but considering that, as I said, the economic levels of our people, where states like Delhi or even Assam have come up with very strict aging of vehicles. That is, in Delhi, it's 10 to 15 years. Here we have only stipulated 35 years in case of private-owned vehicles, which is a very liberal step, taking into account the economic level of the people. But where government vehicles are concerned, we have said 15 years or older.